What is up, you guys? Happy New Year. Welcome to my first video of 2018. As you can tell by the title, I am just gonna do a quick Gucci haul. I got the version 2 slides and I wanted to show you guys kind of how they came and how awesome they are, and I'm super excited. First and foremost, I want to give a huge shout out to my dad, his wife Victoria, and their cat Boo Boo, who gifted these to me for Christmas. So thank you so much. I'm so excited. I'm so in love with them. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So here is the bag that it came in. It's super high quality. It has like a nice little bow up top holding it together. It is black and white. It's super high quality. I'm gonna throw it up on my wall just because I love it and I think it's super cute and like bougie and nice. So super excited about that. I'm gonna pull it out of the box or bag. And here is the box that it came in. I redid the ribbon because I wanted to make sure that they wrapped the right size for me and everything or whatnot. These were $210 before tax and $229 after tax. I went to the Glendale Galleria. Here's my receipt, and it came in this cute little bifold card with like their exchange policy, which is 14 days after purchase, and you get the same money that you paid with. So if you paid with credit, you'll get credit back. If you paid with cash, you can get cash back up to 14 days. So without further ado, it comes with this beautiful Gucci ribbon all over the box. So I'm just gonna pop that off. Super pretty. It comes with this really nice box, which is really solid, and I love it. I'm gonna keep it for I don't know what. I think I kind of want to put some makeup in here or something. Maybe keep it on my vanity. I think it's really pretty. Let me pop it open. And there it is. This is the little description tag with my size. I got a men's 7, which I think is like a Euro 39 or something. Correct me if I'm wrong. The price, the SKU, and all that. Excuse me, I am a little sick, hence why I haven't been filming a bunch, but I don't really care, and I'm gonna film through it. So you unwrap the papers, and there are 2 dust bags, which I think is super cool. So each shoe has its own dust bag, so they are super high quality. Let's see. They are dust bags made in China, and they are 100% polyester, but they're so soft. I'm surprised that they're polyester. They have like a little Gucci on the tag and a cute little black drawstring. Slide in and then tighten the drawstring like so, and boom. So it comes with one for each shoe, which I think is super awesome, so I don't have to like shove them both in one dust bag. And here they are. They come like this. They come super separated, so I'm just gonna grab one. And they come in a plastic bag. Pull out the plastic bag. They come with some more wrapping inside. You just pull that on out, and here is one of the shoes. It is, I have no idea what it is made out of. It is made in Italy. They're super comfortable. I think they're super cute, and I'm super excited. I was kind of bummed that I had to get the version 2, which has this different bottom, more like the Timberland looking bottom. The version 1 they no longer make anymore, and that's the one with like the more flat looking bottom. But these are still super great. So let me unwrap the other one. And here they both are. I kind of like that it has this Timberland looking bottom because it makes them feel so durable and strong. And I just think they're so pretty and awesome, and I cannot wait to use them. Yeah, they do fit true to size. So these are a men's 7. I wear a men's 7, and they fit like a glove. Are they worth $210? I'm not entirely sure. This is just kind of like my unboxing and my first impressions. I'm absolutely in love with them, and thank you again to Dad and Victoria for hooking me up this Christmas. I cannot wait to wear them. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. I'm just so grateful to have the opportunity to own these. I'm absolutely in love with them. I can't wait I'm so excited to be a part of the Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Hey, no, so thank you again so much for watching. Little disclaimer, this is totally not to brag. This is totally not to boast at all. I'm just so excited about them and I wanted to share them with you guys. And alright guys, that concludes this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to hit that like button. If you guys really like me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, my social media will be linked down below. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys. I know this video is a little different out of what I normally do, so if you guys liked it, let me know in the comments down below and I can make some more luxury hauls and unboxings and reviews of some of the luxury stuff that I have. Just let me know in the comments down below, and yeah, as always, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.